So welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to use Google Sheets for the beginners, or how you can use Google Sheet for the purposes of making reports or to collect any kind of data. So in order to use Google Sheets, simply go to write Google Drive on Google. When you write Google Drive, this tab will be open. You just have to log into your Google Drive, the account which you have logged in. So I will first create a folder. You will click this positive or a new sign over here. First we will wait. This loading will complete now. When you will click this drive option, will come Google Documents, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Forms. We have already seen Google Form. Now I will be focusing on Google Sheets. When you will click Google Sheets, there will be this arrow will lead towards blank spreadsheet or format template. So we will be trying to use a blank spreadsheet, and this will open a new template untitled spreadsheet. Now I have opened a new. This is the interface of Google spreadsheet. First I will rename this untitled spreadsheet so that whenever we will open this will be shown by a specific name. First I will wait when this loading will complete, then I will try to explain. So I am using this Google Sheet, for example, to collect data, or I am naming it Google Sheet for beginners. I am trying to name it as a Google Sheet for beginners. So I will name this as a Google Sheet for beginners. So in this way you can name your Google Sheet. After that I will go to folder, and this is a star. You can label it or you can highlight this page of Google Sheet. So now I will be discussing the main interface of this Google Sheet one by one. So, when you will work in this Google Sheet, this will directly be uploaded to Google Drive. When this will be uploaded to your Google Drive, you can see its status. This is an option to file. When you will complete your work in this Google Sheet, you can open a new file by clicking on this new option. You can open an existing file. If you have one already, you can import. Even you can make a copy. You can share it with others by email. You can directly work on this sheet, and you can email this directly to the person you can want to send. You can download this information in the form of PDF, which will be using in next videos. You can rename your file. You can move. You can add this to your drive format. For example, if you want to print, you can just click Ctrl P, or you can print. You can also make it available offline if you have already opened this option. Next one is edit. If you have edited text, enter the text, you can redo, or you can click undo to make it clear, or you can edit the previous one. You can, if you want to see if you have mistakenly click undo, you can click redo to gain back your previous information. You can cut, paste, you can add values, data. You can delete rows, columns, your notes. Next one is view. In show option, when you will click the show option, you will see your formula bar, grid lines. The formula we will use in this spreadsheet. Next one is format. In format you can see the themes. You can use colors in your sheet. You can use the format of your text, numbers, percentages, the way which is recommended or you want to write. You can wrap text. You can rotate your text vertically, horizontally, or you can tilt it up. And similarly, there is clear font size formatting. Next one is data. You can add, you can sort out your sheets by numbering it from A to Z or reversely by Z to A. You can create a filter. You can build up sheets and names by applying your privacy. Similarly, you can clean up your data. You can split text into columns. Next one is tools. You can create a new form from this Google sheet. You can check your spell by using these two options, spell check or the person dictionary. So there are two extensions you can add indirectly by using this macros and app script. You can use also app sheet. Similarly, there is an help option if you have any kind of information you can add. You can update, you can report any issue, you have privacy policies over here. There is a summation function. By clicking this, you will appear some keyboard shortcuts. So this is an option to print, and this will click. Then you will click this. This will show you the print format. You can zoom by clicking this. This is an dollar sign to add the number of columns, decimal places you want to increase or decrease, the format of text written in the bits of this Google sheet. Similarly, the text format over here, text height, borders of will be seeing in our next video, alignment, text wrapping. You can wrap text. Here you can link to attach for Google Drive. You can insert comment. You can create a filter for color presentation. So there is an option of sum which we will be seeing in our next video one by one. How to use this sum function, average, count, maximum, minimum. For engineering, there are a number of formulas for engineers. You can use Google formulas. Similarly, text and so this is the general overview. These horizontal boxes are rows which I have highlighted, and these vertical members are columns. You can increase or decrease these rows and columns one by one. So this is the name of this sheet. You can add or rename it like data. You can add number of sheets by clicking this positive sign here. When you click this one, this will appear you all sheets over here. But recently I have created only one sheet over here, so one will be appeared over here. So here is a calendar option. You can use your dates and calendar for this Google sheet. You can use this for notepad. You can assign tasks. Your contacts can be exported or it can be exported to your contacts. It can use your local location also for location purposes. So that's all from this video. In the next video, you will see how to use the various functions of this Microsoft Google spreadsheet.